Hey, what's up YouTube? So today I'll be installing the canopy, so the roof on my Kubota L3901. I ordered it about 5 months ago when I ordered the tractor, so in October, but it was back ordered for a long time. Anyways, I received it last week, but as I was too busy with buying a house and selling my house, so yeah, so I'll get to it today. So it comes with all the hardware, the mounts and stuff, so like it might take a bit longer to install it just because I'll have to reinstall so like my strobe light that's on the top of my rubs. So anyways, so like I'll have to either drill a hole or just make the hole the wire longer and then run it behind. I didn't think about buying a grommet, so anyways, maybe I'll finish the install tomorrow and pick up a grommet, a rubber grommet like here or something. Anyways, so I'll get to it. Alright, so now that it's kind of just snug, so I'm just gonna make sure it's centered, make a mark. So I'll make a mark here in the center of the RUPS and then the center here, make sure I'm properly centered. I'll just tighten that up. It's gonna be weird because I'm mounting it like upside down because the shed's not tall enough. Plus I don't feel like being in a ladder all day. Alright, so I got 2 bolts in, so one on the inside, So you want to make sure that your nuts go on the inside. Just so basically, anyways, so just that way, like the nuts like doesn't stick out on this side, like on the outside. Usually, I'm pretty impressed with what Kubota makes, but like this here is not impressive so far. The mount, like the holes didn't line up, like here. So I had to like re-drill the holes bigger, and then like for some weird reason, like they don't drill. So like I'm drilling the hole there, but like they don't like pre-drill the second hole for some weird unknown reason. And I find like I don't get why the bracket here, like this here, isn't just resting like flat. I don't know. Maybe someone could comment on that. Was like why they do that, but. To me, like it'd be like way stronger if you had like 2 bolts in there, plus it sat flush, like on a like 6-inch surface or whatever. It'd be way stronger. But anyways, maybe it's just me. Anyways, so I'm gonna drill a couple more holes on the other side, finish that hole, then bolt her up. Alright, so we got all the bolts here. Not even sure if I'm going to be able to flip it up in the shed. Might have to go outside. Alright, so this is kind of how it's mounted. So there's like channels there. So you just use 6 self-tapping screws that are supplied with the kit, and then they have like rubber washers that go underneath the washer. It's kind of try to keep it sealed. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'll just be drilling a couple holes and then mount my amber strobe light. Alright, now I got the amber strobe light mounted on there, so I didn't really feel like drilling more holes than I had to. So I mean, there's already like 10 holes in the thing, so what I did is I just routed it, like it was already routed like on the ROPS, so like I just drilled a little tiny hole there for a zip tie, and that should be good. I might change the lights location to be there, so like they're not as in the way, because I find like when I'm snow blowing or like running the tractor at night, like the lights are like right in my face, like as I turn around. So I might move them up on top of the ROPS. Alright, so it's gonna be it for today. So install's done, so I got the amber strobe light on there, I got the canopy. Anyway, so that's how it turned out. Wish I had a cab, but I guess I'm gonna take it in the woods quite a bit, so I don't really want to risk smashing a cab. Anyway, so sorry for not posting videos for that long. I got a couple more videos coming soon. I got a couple new toys recently, but you'll see them in the next videos. Couple expensive piece of equipment. It's gonna help grow my business, hopefully in July. So anyways, I'll see you in the next one.